Hey everyone, I'm Sam Darty from Paid Memberships Pro. Today we're going to be talking about Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is a popular page builder within WordPress that Paid Memberships Pro has a native integration for. With the Beaver Builder integration, you can restrict content conditionally for members of specific membership levels or non-members. For this demo, I'm going to show you how you can restrict content for posts and pages within Beaver Builder. On my Must Love Dogs demo site, this is a specific demo that does have Beaver Builder on it already. I'm going to go into the back end and I'm going to go to posts. I will go ahead and edit this first post within Beaver Builder. Now that I'm in the Beaver Builder editor, I have the ability to click into the settings of the row, and I also have the ability to click into the text editor or image editor, all the different aspects that I have on this blog post. For this example, I want to restrict the bottom half of this post after the excerpt for members only. So I'll open the text editor setting and a PM Pro tab appears within their standard text editor. I will select that I want yes to enable the Paid Memberships Pro module visibility, and already my membership levels are gray, so they are automatically selected for me. I will save this, and I'll go ahead and hit done to show you what exactly happens on the front end of this site. So we're using the view as admin bar. I am viewing without membership access. If I scroll down the blog post, I see the beginning of the blog post, the image, and the ability to hit the view recipe button, but I do not see the area of text that I restricted. If I change my view as admin bar to view with membership access, I now can see the bottom half of this post. So restricting the content is really great because members can see this information in the blog post and non-members will not get access to that. But how will those non-members know whether or not there's more to the blog post or page that they might be missing? This is where I will go back into Beaver Builder Editor. And at the bottom of my post, I want to add a saved template that I created as a saved row. And if I go into the settings of this, it takes me to a Beaver Builder editor page with the no access message that I created saying this content is for our premium members. To view the content, log in or sign up for a membership. And those will link to either the login page or the pricing page. When I click the settings, the global row editor box for Beaver Builder appears with a PM Pro tab, very similar to how we saw it appear when we were doing a text editor box on the blog post. And within this tab, I enabled Paid Memberships Pro visibility settings to yes, and I selected non-members. So non-members will see this message. So I will hit done and publish from the settings of my no access message. And this is saved as a global row within Beaver Builder, so it will change across the entire site regardless of where it is if I was to go back and update this. So now I'm going to drag and drop this no access message into the bottom of my blog post, and the content restriction rules are already there. So if I hit done and publish, I'll go back to the front end of the site. We currently have access, so we can view the entire blog post. We do not see that yellow message. If I go back to the view as bar and I select view without membership access, it'll reload and I see the view the recipe button that I had, but now I see that the rest of this content is for our premium members, and it gives me a link to log in and sign up for membership. That is how you can restrict content conditionally based on members of specific membership levels and/or your non-members using Beaver Builder and Paid Memberships Pro. I'll link the documentation in the description below so you can read more about our integration.
I hope you got some value out of what you just watched. If you're serious about building a profitable membership site, the fastest way to launch or scale is with a premium plan at paidmembershipspro.com. We've made it as affordable as possible to get started, and most people who upgrade stick with us for years. Why? Because they're making money, and we keep delivering expert support, premium add-ons, and a private community of over 1,000 creators building businesses just like yours. Click the link to compare plans or keep learning. We'll see you in the next video.